Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Robotics Hub. I am Mohammad Zaid. In this video, we are going to discuss about different types of sensor used in robot. Now first we understand what is sensor. Sensor is an electronics device that sense the object and generate a electrical signal with respect to them. Now different types of sensor are as follows. Now first is light sensor. A light sensor is used to detect light and create a voltage difference. The two main light sensors generally used in robotics are first is photoresistor and the second is photovoltaic cell. Other kinds of light sensor like phototubes, phototransistor, CCD, etc. are rarely used. Now these two types of sensor, first is photoresistors and the second is photovoltaic. We can see here. You can see a photoresistor. Photoresistor is a types of sensor whose resistance vary with change in light intensity. More light leads to less resistance and less light leads to more resistance. These inexpensive sensor can be easily implemented in most light dependent robots. Now the second is photovoltaic cell. Photovoltaic cell convert solar radiation into the electrical energy. This is especially helpful if you are planning to build a solar robot. Photovoltaic cell is considered as an energy source and intelligent implementation combined with a transistor and a capacitor can convert this into a sensor. Now come to next. Second is sound sensor. What is sound sensor? This sensor, generally a microphone, detects sound and return a voltage proportional to the sound level. You can see here, this is the sound module. Implementation of sound sensor in robot is not easily as light sensor because sound sensor generate a very small voltage difference which should be amplified to generate measurable voltage change. In other words, we can define sound sensor which convert mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Now second is temperature sensor. A temperature sensor is an electronic device that measures the temperature of its environment and converts the input data into the electrical energy. You can see here, this is the temperature sensor module. You can see in the circle, this is the temperature sensor IC. You can see in the module, this is the tiny temperature sensor IC provide voltage difference for a change in temperature. Few generally used temperature sensor ICs are LM34, LM35, LMP35, LMP36 and TMP37. These are the ICs used as temperature sensor. Now come to next. Next is contact sensor. We can see here contact sensor tell your system if something is open or closed. This contact sensor is also known as limit switch. When these switches hit an obstacle, it triggers the robot to do a task which can be reversing, turning, switching on a LED, stopping, etc. The task of the robot is depend upon user program. Now come to next. Next is proximity sensor. What is proximity sensor? This is a type of sensor which can detect the presence of a nearby object within a given distance without any physical contact. You can see here, this is the proximity sensor. In this sensor, a transmitter transmits an electromagnetic radiation or creates an electrostatic field, and a receiver receive and analyze the return signal. Now come to next. Next is a pressure sensor. What is pressure sensor? Pressure sensor sense the atmospheric pressure and generate an electrical signal with respect to them. Pressure sensor used in design a robot hand and need to measure the amount of grip and pressure required to hold an object. So guys, these are the different types of sensor used in robot. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video, share to others and subscribe our channel. So friends, thank you and all the very best.